Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add someone on Snapchat without them knowing about it, that we searched for them. So for that you need to open up your Snapchat, and after that open up the camera section and click on the search on the top. After that just search for that particular person who you want to search. Then click on that particular profile that you just searched. And instead of adding that particular person from here, just click on the three dots on the top and then click on send profile to. After that you need to search for yourself in the search option and send this profile to yourself. Then your chat will open up. Then open up your chats for yourself, and here you will find that you have this add option over here. Just click on add, and this way that person will not be able to know that you searched for them and then added them. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.